Hello everyone, this is Anushka Pandey from 8th B and today I am here to tell you about something more interesting. I am going to tell you about Aditya L1. I hope you all remembered about the date of 23rd August 2023. It was the date on which the Chandrayaan 3 was landed on the south pole of moon. But now the India is about to do something more bigger. I am talking about Aditya L1. So, Aditya L1 is the first space mission to land to know about the sun. It is the first mission of ISRO and I am going to tell you that how it will work. So, as you can see, that one is our sun and this is our earth and that is our spacecraft, which is Aditya L1. So, now a doubt will came in your mind, that is why this is on this point, why that one spacecraft is not on that one place. So I want to tell you that the sun is made up of gases and it can't land on the sun. Okay, so that one so this spacecraft is landed on that one point, and this point where it is landed, this is known as L1, means Lagrange point. So first of all, I will tell you about Aditya, then I will tell you about L1 and for what it stands for, and after that I will tell you the main mission, main motives of ISRO, how it will work, and I will tell you the effect which is coming to our earth. So as you can see, this is our sun and this is our earth, and that one point, that is L1. L1 stands for the Lagrange point. And this is a point. There are the 7 Lagrange point. There are 7 Lagrange point, and L1 is one of them. And now the one of the question arises, why L1? There are the 7 point. We can choose any one of them, L1 1, L1 2, L3, L4, L5. Why that one point? So the reason is that this is a point between Earth and Sun. And this is just 1% of the distance between Earth and Sun. This is a place from where the Aditya L1 is landed. It would be very helpful for us to know the things about the Sun, to know about the mystery of the suns. One of the mysteries is that the inner core, means the inner layer of the Sun is more hotter than the outer one. The outer layer is known as a corona, chromosome and the photoshop. Now you can see this is a mystery which is means there is no reason behind this mystery, and no country had know about this thing. But it would be very helpful for all of us if that one mission would be successful. India can get know about these things. You can see this is our earth, and the sun is also affecting our earth. There are the various rays which are coming from sun to earth, and there are the some harmful देखना है ओके जी सर वो मैं ध्यान नहीं दे रहा ओके so I was telling you that there are the some harmful rays which comes from the sun to earth, and for example X-ray rays are there and many more harmful rays are there. So it's affect our earth also. To know about these mysteries, India thought that if we will launch a solo mission, then it would be very helpful for us. We can know about the mystery of the sun, and we can also get to know what are the facts about the sun which are affecting our earth. As you all know that the rays of a sun, the light which comes from the sun to earth, it affects our climate, our temperature, our atmosphere. So it will also help, it would be very helpful for us. Now see, this is a Aditya L1, and this this is a point which is just 1% of the distance between earth and sun. India would be know about this thing. India can get to know about that one thing, means the fact about the sun, why it is more hotter than the outermost layer which is corona, and the second thing is that it get to know more fact, and if this mission would be successful, then India would be the fourth country to know about the sun. It would be very grateful for our Indians also. And thanks a lot and have a nice time.
And